Okay, so if you don't know, Android 12 Beta 2 is released and we have a port available for the Mio tool devices. If you're using Redmi Note 9 Pro, Redmi Note 9S, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max and Poco M2 Pro, we have a port available for you where you can install Android 12 Beta 2 right now on your device. I've tried, I'm testing and I'm using it from some time. I got to know that of course it's still not good yet for daily driver. It has some little bit of issues there which we're going to talk about later on. We're just going to talk about some cool new features. By the way, we made a specific video on Android 12 Beta to top new changes. So if you haven't watched that, you can watch that one because this video is almost same just with device specific things. Torch etc seems to be working here. Unlike Beta 1, we didn't got camera access and mic access features. These were present here. Now we have this new kind of power menu which seems to be a very good thing. But this power menu shortcut is available in the quick settings panel also, and alongside with that the new power menu seems to be good. The mic access and camera access options were not present in the Beta 1, especially in these ports, but now we have this option available. Let me show you that how these things are working. For example, if I try to record something, this is the icon which is showing like, and if I try and click here, it will show you that which app is using this permission. Recorder app is using this microphone permission. We also have this green dot available here which is actually looking quite good, which is a very good feature in Android 12. It's not about this one, but then in ports we have this feature. In the previous port the feature was not present, unfortunately. Even though the new volume panel is also there, which is actually looking little bit different, little bit unique. In the settings menu, let me show you two more things here. As you can see, the UI colors etc change here, which is actually something different. So let's check it out. The hotspot once, if the hotspot is working fine, hotspot is turning on alongside with the Wi-Fi, so seems to be working. I didn't try to connect it by the way, but yes, it's just turning on and I think so it should be working here. Notification history option is present for you. The UI is different in the notifications panel, which is I didn't liked it, but yes, this is what it is, and we have these options available in this app info, split screen and freeform if you hold the icon in the recent panel. And if you want to use any app in the split screen is just perfectly working. I tried it, I tested it. For example, let me just try to open one app, for example Google Play Store, and as you can see the both apps are working perfectly fine in the split screen. And this is the feature like a lot. Of course it's available in other devices and other Android versions also, but I just tested split screen on this Android 12 Beta 2 port room and it's just working quite good. This is why I'm using it on my device. I tried to show you, and as I previously mentioned you, it's actually still not good enough to use as your daily driver. I got some issues, for example lags, a lot of lags by the way, but it will be solved with upcoming updates. But right now if you still just want to test it on your device, it isn't a bad choice at all. You can give it a try for approximately 1 day, 2 days. But the thing is, I also got some random reboots while using some things for the first time. The performance seems to be decent enough, but sometimes just lags here. New animations at this, as you can see that we have new animations and the colors are automatically changing according to the wallpaper. If you don't know, this is a good feature in Android version 12. Alongside with that, let's move on to some things. For example, the battery stats are almost same here. I am using approximately 24 hours if I'm not wrong, actually more than 12 hours basically. So these are the things. Storage, display etc. In the display section, brightness etc, almost every feature is same here. It also comes with a new privacy dashboard option by the way in the privacy section, and if you don't know, I made a dedicated video on that one too, adaptive brightness. And as you can see, we also have some new UI changes everywhere. Network and internet also has a new UI. If you don't know, we have the option to reset these options. As you can see at the top right, we have the option to reset all the internet connections from here, and the UI seems to be different. So we can expect in Beta 3 the things will be changed. And yes, this is all just from today's short and simple video. Ripple effect is also present there. Performance I've already shown you, but yes, the default stock camera is not working. As you just saw, the default stock camera is not working. That will show you that this is being in use by this app. But I tried to use another Gcam by the way, so the Gcam was working quite fine. I didn't got any issues. Even though I tried recording videos from there, everything just seems to be working. Also one of the thing, let me just tell you, if you move on to the safety and status, unfortunately the safety and status is not passing for you. You need to keep this thing in your mind. If you are looking to install it as your daily driver, of course I will not recommend you, but it's up to you. Installation is quite simple. Install and you are good to go. This is all from today's video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, have a nice day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.